In this video, we will see how WebHarvy can be used to scrape opening and closing odds of correct scores from OddsPortal. So load the page which displays the odds for correct scores. Start configuration, and first we need to expand all these sections. So click on the first item and select the click option. So WebHarvy will expand all these sections so that the bookmaker opening odds and closing odds for all the scores can be viewed. Now let's start selecting data. Click on the score value, the first one, and select it as correct score. Now let's see how we can scrape the closing odds for any specific bookmaker for all these scores. So for this we need to use regular expressions. You can copy the regular expression from the video description below, and in this you can see the starting point. A starting portion is bet365. You can change this to the bookmaker of your choice. For example, if you want to get Pinnacle, you can just paste Pinnacle here and use the rest of the regex string. So let me just copy this and click on the corresponding line and apply capture more content twice so that this entire table for the score value is selected and displayed in the preview. And then select apply regex, paste the string which we just copied and apply capture text, and this would be the bet 365 closing odds. As you can see, WebHarvy has selected the bet365 closing odds for all the correct scores in the table. Now let's see how we can scrape the opening odds for the same bookmaker. Now one limitation here is that unlike in the case of closing odds, which were scraped for all scores, since the opening odds are displayed via a pop-up, WebHarvy cannot automatically scrape the bookmaker opening odds for all correct scores. You need to do it one after the other manually. So for example, you can scrape the opening odds of bet365 for 1-0 in a column. If you want the similar value for 2-0, you should select it in another column. So for that we are going to use JavaScript. Before that, go to configuration menu and disable pattern detection. And here is the code. You can see in the first two lines, the first line is the score value and the second line is the bookmaker of your choice. You can modify this and this to get the opening odds values for the score and bookmaker of your choice. So for now we're going to get the bet365 opening odds for 1-0. So copy the code, click anywhere on the page, apply run script, paste this code and apply. You can see that the opening odds value is displayed. Click on the opening odds heading text and select the capture following text followed by capture text. Okay, now we can stop the configuration and start mining. So as you can see, WebHarvy has extracted the closing odds for all the scores and the opening odds for bet365. So I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.